Hi there, I wanted to share a multivitamin with you guys. This is a Postnatal Plus. It's from Mama Select. And one thing that I find really cool about this supplement is it's got 14 vitamins and minerals in it. Not only does it help my body keep all of the good in it, and it also helps me produce milk for my little. And it includes 60 caplets, which is a 2-month supply. And how cool is this? It's made in the United States. Absolutely love that. This company has been certified as a good manufacturing practice company, and for me that's a really cool thing because they are very consistent in their product. For this vitamin, it comes in a gel capsule. I'll show you the size of it. Super easy to take, once a day. And for me, I've been taking it for about 5 days now, I think it is, and I've noticed a big boost in my energy. It's got a lot of B vitamins in it, and for me that works really well, and there's no negative effect on my baby. So for me, this is something that I totally recommend.